Hey guys, we're gonna go to Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Try to say that 5 times fast. So this is a joke shop. So it looks like they got rid of the joke shop in Halsney because of this. And they just expanded the candy shop. That's an interesting looking door right there. Shenanigans for all. This place is busy. All the stores are busy in the Wizarding World. Postcards. Nose biting teacup. I'm guessing it doesn't really bite your nose. Fanged flyer. Handler's glove included. Huh. Jumping snakes. Decoy detonator. It's a hoot. Hoot. It's a hoot. It's not hoot. Ears. Pick a stick. Jacob's ladder. Perform tricks, optical illusions, fascinating fun. How does this thing work? I have no idea. Slippers. What is this? It's some sort of, I don't know what this is, but it's neat. It's $14.95, whatever. The skiving snack box. Got snacks in there. One of those from the books. Master Blaster. Giant whoopee cushion. Skipping rope. It skips by itself. Not in real life though. Duck on a bike. Duck on a bike. There it is, the duck on a bike. I like how simplistic this box is. What? I really like how simplistic this box is. It's really neat. Oh, that just, oh, that's crazy. I thought that just fell out of nowhere. Sorry. You have a giant hand. Creepy crawling roaches. Inflatable tongue. Inflatable lips. Splat splammer. Joke egg. What is the joke egg? Oh, it's just one of those. Skipping rope hand. Dark mark lollipop. Oh. See all the different spots on the stairs? We have a love potion. It's made of rose water. I remember looking at it last time. I wonder what it tastes like. It's got honey and rose water. Rose blue nougat. Fever fudge. This fever fudge looks good. Vanilla fudge with jelly beans. Sounds good to me. It's really good. What is nosebleed nougat exactly? Made with milk chocolate, pistachios, and white pearl toppings. Sounds good.
Are you guys ready to check out?
Let's see, what is this candy? Fainting Fancies, orange and lemon fruit gummies. Puking pasty, pastels actually, hard-boiled sweets. Looks like gummies. What is it? Oh, somebody else should. Okay, wait, no, these are just boxes on display of the candy. Well, I think that's a wrap for Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna go in Sugarplum's candy shop. We're gonna see what's going on, see what kind of candy they have. Anything different than Honeydukes. We're gonna go in. Smaller than Honeydukes. This is a rat. Huh. Birdie box. Peppermint toads. Pepper imps. Bing bong. Ginger snaps. Huh. These look good. Made with chocolatey fizzy fruits. Neat. It's just chocolate with pop rocks in it, I think. Acid pops. Ooh, this sounds good. Sour. Acid pops. Exploding bonbons. These sound good. Fudge flies. The famous chocolate frogs. I think you can get like 5 wizard cards. I think it's all the heads of the houses and Dumbledore. Glacial snowflakes. Peppermint flavored snowflake melts. Jelly slugs. Wriggling good. Wrigglingly good. Nifty. Nifty. You can see the no melt ice cream, so it's like a parfait, I guess, but it looks like ice cream. Pumpkin cake, pumpkin pasty. That's a famous one. Chocolate dip pretzel one, and collagen cake. That collagen cake looks really good. You get that box. Cookies and cream fudge, cookie dough fudge, chocolate cheesecake fudge, butterbeer flavored fudge. That I've not seen that. Chocolate caramel swirl fudge, chocolate fudge. Chocolate mint swirl fudge, peanut butter chocolate fudge, butterbeer flavored fudge, chocolate vanilla swirl fudge, chocolate fudge with nuts and marshmallows, chocolate pecan fudge, caramel apple with nuts, caramel apple, sugar plum apple. That looks really good. Gourmet apples and another gourmet apple. That one has chocolate chips and chocolate, and that one has chocolate and peanuts. Let's look around a bit more. Ooh, some pick your own candy, gummy worms. Assorted sour stripes section. Jordan almonds. Jelly babies. Huh. Those are interesting. Giant lollipops. That's nifty. How much are these? $4.95. That's a good price for this giant lollipop. That's a good price. Taffy. Caramel. Cobwebs. Anything else different? Nope. It doesn't look like it. Much of the same stuff on the side that are different. Let's see, what is this? Hong Kong toffee. Chocolate covered hard toffee with nuts. Chocolate one. It's just a milk chocolate farm. You see this display here? It almost looks like a lollipop Ferris wheel. So I think that's a wrap for Sugar Plum's candy shop.